হাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, গুড ইভিনিং। আজ আমরা 3 কোশ্চেন থেকে ভয়েস চেঞ্জগুলো প্র্যাকটিস করব। আগের দিন থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম থেকে প্র্যাকটিস করেছিলাম। তোমরা যদি না দেখে থাকো প্রিভিয়াস ভিডিও চেক করে নিতে পারো। দে অল অ্যান্সার্ড হিজ কোশ্চেন্স ডিফারেন্টলি। হিজ কোশ্চেন্স were answered differently by them all. One must draw up in advance a table of days, months, and years. A table of days, months, and years must be drawn up in advance. Others declared that it was impossible to decide beforehand the right time for every action. এটা পুরোটা অবজেক্ট, দ্যাট থেকে পুরোটাই। Was declared by others. One must consult magicians. Magicians must be consulted. The jar gave the reward to none. The reward was given to none by the jar. The jar put on simple clothes. Simple clothes were put on by the jar. The hermit received none but common folk. None but common folk were received by the hermit. The hermit was digging the ground. The ground was being dug. Past continuous এ আছে, being বসালাম এই জন্য। was being dug by the hermit. The jar approached him. He was approached by the jar. The jar did not give him the spade. He was not given the spade by the jar. এটা আমরা আরেকটা অবজেক্ট দিয়েও করতে পারি, the spade. The spade was not given to him by the jar. If you can give me none, tell me so. If I can be given none, I should be told so. The jar saw a bearded man come running out of the wood. The jar saw a bearded man. A bearded man was seen come running out of the wood by the jar. A man held his hands. The man held his hands pressed against his stomach. His hands were pressed against his stomach by the man. The jar and the hermit unfastened the man's clothing. The man's clothing was unfashioned by the jar and the hermit. The jar brought fresh water and gave it to him. Fresh water was brought by the jar fresh water was brought and it was given to him by the jar. The jar carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. The wounded man was carried into the hut and he was laid on the bed. By the jar. You do not know me. I am not known to you. You executed his brother and seized property. His brother was executed and his property was seized by you. I knew you had gone alone to see the hermit. It was known to me that you had gone alone to see the hermit. I resolved to kill you on your way back. You were resolved to be killed on your way back by me. They recognized me and wounded me. I was recognized and wounded by them. I will serve you as your most faithful slave. You will be served by me as your most faithful slave. Forgive me. Let I be forgiven. You are requested to forgive me ও করতে পারো. The man would have attacked you. You would have been attacked by the man. What you did for him was your most important business. What was done by you for him was your most important business. The hermit again gave no answer. Again, no answer was given by the hermit. The hermit was sowing seeds in the beds. Seeds were being sowed in the beds by the hermit. You have already been answered. I have already answered you. The hermit listened to the jar but answered nothing. The jar was listened to by the hermit, but nothing was answered. The hermit lived in a wood which he never quitted. The hermit lived in a wood which was never quitted by him.